Starting a new era of LED headlights. The newest optics technology, top LED chips, superior heat dissipation performance and even more. In this video, Automotive Care brings 5 best LED headlights in 2021. Through extensive research we have put together all the products in list and mentioned their links in the description box. Let's move towards the list. On the number 1 we listed Philips LED headlights. Philips Crystal Vision Ultra is for drivers seeking to personalize their vehicles. With Crystal Vision Ultra, drivers enjoy a look that is unmatched in a DOT-compliant bulb. Crystal Vision Ultra provides a bright white light on the road at night, while its blue-capped bulb creates a cool blue effect in the headlight in the daytime. This is the perfect choice if you are looking to add style to your vehicle. Philips Crystal Vision Ultra is the solution for drivers who are looking for an upgrade with the style and appearance of Xenon HID, but have a vehicle with halogen technology. Without compromising on safety, Philips Crystal Vision Ultra headlights rival the look of HID thanks to the blue coating on the glass which creates a bright, white light. Plus, a unique blue cap on the bulb creates a cool blue effect in the headlamp's reflector in daytime. From high-performance lighting that improves driver safety, to lighting designed to enhance the style of your ride, Philips offers automotive lighting choices that help you to make the most out of your driving experience. All Philips automotive lighting products incorporate the leading-edge lighting technology and original equipment quality that have made us the first choice of car manufacturers around the world. Choosing original equipment bulbs reduces the chance of early failure thanks to their higher quality standards. This LED headlights is available on Amazon. On the number 2 we listed GT Glowtech LED headlights. Designed using the powerful Cree XHP50 LED, spherical optical design with an anti-glare body, the Glowtech Extreme 360 headlight kit provides never-seen-before color consistency, lumen density and reliability. This where brilliance meets the eye. Crisp 6500K white lighting with zero warm-up time. Perfect for use in high beams, low beams or fog lights. Reflector or projector ready, this kit makes for the perfect upgrade from HID or halogen lights. With attention to detail second to none, built with a copper core coated with aviation aluminum and finished in turquoise and black for that distinct Glowtech high-quality finish. It takes less than 10 minutes to install. Some automobiles will require professional installation to change out the headlamps. Adjustable beam pattern with maximum light output super bright allows for reflector or projector housing. This high-low dual beam LED headlight conversion kit suits high and low assembly, offering crystal clear white beams. These custom waterproof headlights ensure 50,000 hours of clean and bright shine from our unique LED Cree chips and design. This LED headlights is available on Amazon. On the number 3 we listed Cougar Motor LED headlights. Each Cougar Motor LED headlights is laser aligned to the base during the manufacturing process to ensure perfect beam pattern. The top LED chips with 60 watt per pair, cool white 6000K and high luminous efficacy. This is 200% brighter than your stock halogen bulbs. The latest technology to ensure perfect beam pattern without any dark spots or foggy light. Whole aluminum housing 7000 RPM powerful turbo cool fan to ensures your LED bulbs over 50,000 hours of brilliant continuous light. Just plug and play. It can be installed in 20 minutes. These bulbs are CAN bus ready and will work with most vehicles' computer system without error. It gives you last more than 50,000 hours. This headlights works in any conditions. Rugged housing, fan works even in extreme situations. It comes with newest optics technology and top LED chips that gives you superior heat dissipation performance. This LED headlights is available on Amazon. On the second last number we listed Ala Lighting LED headlights. This listing features one pair super bright 3157 or 3156 6000K xenon white LED bulbs equipped with high-power 2835 SMD LEDs. Each 3157 dual-filament LED bulb is about 1000 lumens, especially designed for replacing stock dim halogen or incandescent front or rear turn signal light, daytime running light, side marker light and backup reverse light bulb etc. This LED bulb is compatible for both CK and standard socket. No need to check the socket type and save you a lot of time. Due to the LED bulbs draw much less current than stock lamps, extra load resistors or LED flasher may be required to install to avoid the signal hyperflash or error code. It is used for upgrading the stock halogen dim turn signal blinker light, backup reverse light, brake stop lights, tail lights, side marker light, daytime running light lamp. For much safer driving and luxury looking, load resistor may be required to avoid the fast blinking issues. It is compatible with both standard and CK or SRCK type. This LED headlights is available on Amazon, and on the last we listed Ceolite LED headlights. Increase your confidence while driving at night. This LED headlight bulb is 1.5 times brighter than halogen bulbs, with pure white color light allowing you to see further and clearer for safer driving. Save your installation time. There is no tools needed to replace the lower profile LED bulb. Although the factory housing has a dust cover or there is limited space on the passenger side, only needs 10 minutes. No more frequent replacements. The Ceolite LED headlight bulbs strike a perfect balance of performance and lifespan. The bulb can last for 20 years even you drive for 6 hours at night every day. It has fanless design. Without fan, there is no chance of fan failure. The LED lights features smart cooling. It also doesn't have annoying noise even you have sensitive ears. You can enjoy your driving. The LED headlight low beam bulb has a perfect beam pattern to ensure the safety of both drivers, with no glare or dark spots reduces your driving stress and exhaustion. This LED headlights is available on Amazon. These 5 are the best LEDs headlights. You can choose any one you like. For more information about all the products, check the links in the description box. Thanks for watching and that's all for now. We hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.